Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I have been using this UVEX face shield since I started turning. I'm going on, I don't even know now, 6-7 years of turning. I've been using this one the whole time, but nowadays I'm teaching classes and I teach on more than one lathe, so I need more than one face shield. So I went to go buy another one of these because I do very much like it. But I found this one instead at the shop. This is the Jackson Safety MAXVIEW face shield that was 20 bucks cheaper. This guy was $70. This one was 45. So I'm not a math genius, but that's less expensive. So let's find out today together whether or not this was a good purchase. The Jackson MAXVIEW face shield from SureWorks. Let's get it open. We'll give it a try. I'll use it for a little while and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, come on. Okay, so like I said, I did go shopping intending to get another one of these UVEX masks. I like very much the quick push and turn sizing adjustment here on the back. I like that you can change the amount of tension in the lowering and uppering mechanism so that it stays up when you want it to be up and it comes down and locks down, and there you can adjust that sort of tension level in there. But this guy, significantly cheaper. Let's get into it and see if it's got at least those two features. It's, according to the box, it does have some sort of speed dial situation on the back of it. Let's have a look at how much put togetherness it needs. I hope I don't have to like put the... Oh, looks like it's just a pull out and get going. I like that. I don't like put togetherness. Oh, yeah. Oh, that might even be a better. It's not even a push. That's an interesting. It's a hard plastic back, but it's got a swivel. Huh. All right. It does some sort of film, peel off film on both sides before using. Okie doke. How? Where's the pull? Make a little tab or something. There should be like a little tab that you grab to peel it off. There isn't. Come on. Really? That is more difficult than it should be to get the film off of it. Take this out and take the film off and then put it back in. All right. Well, I am going to give it a go for a while. I'm going to wear it, and my students are going to wear it. Stupid static. That is a very good loosening and tightening situation. I like that a lot. Okay, I'm going to use this for a little while, and we'll come back, and I'll tell you what I think. So far, so good, though. Okay, so it's about 6 months. About 6 months later. Welcome to the future. I've been rocking this guy for about 6 months. I've been using it. My students have been using it in classes. What do I think of the Jackson MAXVIEW face shield at $45 versus the UVEX at $70? I think the Jackson is a better value at $45. Not only that, but I am tentatively going to say that I think it is a better mask. Full stop. at $45 versus the UVEX at $70. I think this is a better unit as of right now. I was a little bit concerned about the lack of foaminess on the plastic part. The UVEX has like the foamy back, and I was a little bit not concerned, but questioning about the level of comfort wearing for long periods of time. But because this plastic piece here is relatively well contoured and it's got the little hingy pivot, it's remarkably comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Not only that, but the UVEX back, the tightening loosening adjustment is a press turn, whereas this guy is just a twist. And I like that. So fresh out of the box, I think this is a better purchase. Having said that, the deteriorating foam aspect is something you can replace. I could finish peeling this foam off and put a new piece of foam on the back of this. If this little hinge mechanism, this little plastic hinge mechanism in here, the fail point on this mask is going to be this little plastic hingy bit in the inside of the back. I'm not sold on the durability of that mechanism. If that snaps, I think it's a different beast in terms of whether or not I can just like get a replacement, or I'm certainly not going to be able to just glue it back together and have it rocking again. So we'll see over time. This guy was 6-7 years in use. So if I get 6-7 years of use out of this guy without that little hinge snapping, better mask. As far as impact rating, no, I'm not going to test it. I hope that I never have to find out whether or not I can take a bowl to the face wearing one of these. It is rated at whatever ANSI Z87.1 means for standard getting stuff thrown at you. I know that this is going to keep me from getting hit in the face with chips, and probably small chunks are going to be fine. If a bowl flies off my chuck and hits this guy, I don't know. I hope I never have to find out. I haven't with this, so hopefully I won't with this either. As of right now, I'm perfectly happy with my choice. Let me know down in the comments if you have a sub 100 Canadian dollar face shield recommendation for people. I don't want to hear about the $1,000 Papper Air respirator dealies. Obviously, we all know that those are going to be better. But the cheapo ones, if you've got a good one, let us know. Also, I would very much appreciate it if you would let me know anti-fog remedies, because I have heard shaving cream. I disagree. I've heard shampoo. I disagree. I've heard your own spit. That just feels a little gross to me when I've got students also using the thing. I've tried the actual anti-fog sprays. I haven't found one that works. So let me know that down in the comments below if you've got a recommendation as well. Wear your face shield when you're turning, and go spin something. I'm gonna. All right, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. All right. And I teach on 2 lathes, so I need 2 face shields. So I went to go get another one. It turns out that these guys are $70 now. And this one, Chow. That's what it is. Chow. Maybe you take the whole damn thing out to get the... Or you just gotta chip away at it with a fingernail. That's pretty annoying. Annoying film. Let's just get the whole thing out of there. I was a little bit concerned about the lack of foam on the back here and not being comfortable to wear for long periods of time. But because it's relatively contoured and it's got the little hingy pivoty, it's got the little hingy pivoty. That's what it's got. Okay, so welcome to the future. I've been rocking this shield for about 6 months, give or take. I've been running it through classes. My students have been using it. I've been using it. What can I say about it versus the UVEX shield at $70 versus the Jackson Clearview? What is it called? So it's about 6 months later. I have been using the heck out of this Jackson Clearview. What Clearview is a cyclone dust extractor company. Stop calling it that. MAXVIEW. MAXVIEW is what it's called. So 6 months later, what are my thoughts on the Jackson? I already forgot. Again, MAXVIEW. I'm going to just put the damn box up.